Hi, today we're going to make some sour apple lollipops using two different types of citric acid, one liquid form and one powder form. I also am going to use two different types of molds. I got these molds for Christmas. This mold here is meant probably for chocolate, but it worked for lollipops. But the best way to make lollipops obviously is by using a lollipop mold that has a place for a stick. So let's get started. All right, start with 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup corn syrup, 3/4 cup of water. Turn your heat on to a medium heat and stir this up until the sugar dissolves. Try to keep the sugar from collecting around the side. Wipe the sides down with a wet paper towel to keep it from sugaring. Now let that boil until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it boil in the pot for about 20 minutes. Add about 10 drops of food coloring of your choice. Stir that in. We want the water to evaporate. Now add the flavoring. I'm using apple flavor, 1 gram of apple flavor by Lorraine's Oils. And add about a tablespoon of this. Add a tablespoon of tart and sour. I'm just going to guess. And you can purchase these at a cooking shop or probably on Amazon. I don't know if that's going to make it sour enough, so I did add some citric acid. I've seen them do it on Lofty Pursuits, so I'm going to try it out. But see, it's not going to boil out, so it won't burn. I put lollipop sticks in these molds, and these do not require lollipop sticks. So we're going to see how that works. Pour them into your mold and take the stick and just twist it a little bit. There you go. All right, the pot will be a mess, so all you need to do is fill it with water, and the water will break it down and clean it up. All right, it is possible to use these molds. The only problem is you have to keep standing them up until the syrup is hard. And there you have it, some sour apple lollipops. Thank you. Thanks for watching.